The recent measles outbreak has brought the topic of vaccinations to the forefront, especially on social media. And when David and Colette Stephan were on trial surrounding the death of their son Ezekiel, they got caught in the crossfire. Media outlets and social media painted a picture that vilified the couple for not vaccinating their son. Through exclusive interviews with David and Colette and rare access to court documents, Bridge City News has learned that vaccination had nothing to do with the original trial.
The Crown was trying to use our court case as a precedent-setting case wherein parents could be held criminally liable if they didn't vaccinate their children. And even though they didn't follow through with it in court, once they saw our lineup of expert witnesses that we had on board to fight off the vaccine issue, so they completely shied away from it, and we didn't have to bring in those expert witnesses. They ran away from it really quickly as soon as they saw that we actually had a defense, and part of me says or wished that it would have gone through, because the evidence that we would have brought forward into the courts would have actually worked opposite in their favor.
Can parents be held criminally liable for not vaccinating their children? What is failing to provide the necessaries of life? And what are those necessaries? Criminal defense lawyer Ari Goldkind explains.
What's really important here in the section, it's about a general societal standard, and that standard was created to help protect against the very people in our society that are most vulnerable, particularly when parents who may have issues with vaccination or issues with doctors or Jehovah's Witnesses for blood transfusions. The section is specifically not to cater to those whims, but to deal with the most vulnerable in our society and to impose a societal, not a parental standard.
A new trial will take place over 4 weeks in June. For Bridge City News, I'm Naveen Day.